Hey Crea'Madonas, welcome back to the channel. I am Valitra and I am the crafty black girl. So jumping right in, you guys, we have another men's basket. So first thing I'm going to do, of course, is cover up that label. It didn't have the price, so I didn't scratch it out, but we had to use 6 pieces of packing paper for this basket. You can use packing paper, you can use newspaper, but I don't have newspaper near me, so I use packing paper. I will link it down below where I get it from in bulk. And then I'm going to take one more. I actually use 6 horizontal, 3, and then 3 vertical, and then 1 over the top to cover everything up. And then I'm going in with my shredded paper. I ordered this in bulk as well, and I will link that down below for you as well. And we're just going to make sure we flatten it out, make it all even, cover everything up. I got this gift set from a wholesale perfume store in Miami, Florida. Don't know the name of it. When I find out, I will link it down below if you want to check them out. And then of course, I'm going to secure this gift set with my bamboo skewers. Y'all know that's my favorite thing to do to keep everything sturdy. And I'm just showing you up close how I make sure I get the tape around the skewer. That is the trick in making sure that everything is secure and it can stand up and it won't fall. So with these gift sets, you have to make sure that everything is in place. So I just added tape and secured everything down. So of course, you know, I want to funk it up and make it look a little different. So I'm putting that chocolate on top, just as y'all have seen me do in previous videos. And I just added some tape to the front of that. That's packing tape. I rolled it and make it double-sided with my hand. And of course, we're going to secure this with bamboo skewers as I always do. But because these are short and I put the chocolate up a little bit high, I'm going to secure it with 3 bamboo skewers. And of course, I'm going to measure out my tape, cut it off, and get up close to that bamboo skewer so it can't really move around. Even if, you know, it drops. I experience baskets dropping all the time, but I don't want them to move even if you drop the basket. So then I'm going to cover up this barcode. I don't like barcode showing. And then of course, I'm preparing for the backing for my basket, which is tissue paper normally. And I'm just adding some tape, making it double-sided. And yeah, so putting it on either side so that we can cover it up. So we're going to take that tissue paper, wrap it around the back, cover up everything that we did in the back, because we don't want our customers to see the construction of the basket. We only want them to see the outside, the beauty, the products. That's it. So we're going to turn it to the side and go ahead and fold these sides down, and we're going to tape it to the side of the box. And so I'm going to do the same thing to the other side and make sure I flatten it out and make everything seamless. I don't want to see tape or anything. So making sure I get that tape small and put it underneath the paper and attach it. So we're done with the back of the basket, and now I'm just going to add some body wash, and I'm going to double side that tape, packing tape of course, and I'm going to attach that, and I'm going to attach some popcorn to this basket. And then that is it. This basket was I believe this was a $65 basket. So this is why I didn't add anything else, because we're at our quota here. We're at our quota. So we're not going to add anything else. The gift set, I believe I bought that for about $15, and the chocolates were about $6. The popcorn that came in a pack from Sam's, and that was, it's probably like less than $1 for maybe $1. I'll just say $1. And then that shrink wrap, I will link down below where I get the shrink wrap from. So yeah, so we're looking at about $20 possibly for this basket that I spent, including the, you know, the box and the shred and everything. We're looking at about $20, $25. This basket went for $60 or $65 if I'm not mistaken. So I'm shrink wrapping, making sure that I shrink the bottom first, and then I go ahead and shrink the top, of course, and make sure that everything is flat, everything is stretched out, and you want to be able to see right through. You want it to be clear. You want it to be clean. You don't want to see anything extra, no tape, no, just make sure everything looks clean. Everything looks seamless. And as you can see, I hold things in place that can shrink down that bag. That's why I'm holding it while I'm shrinking it, because I want it to stay. I don't want it to shrink down. So that's a tip for you guys. If you're doing anything that will shrink with the bag, hold it as you blow dry. So now I'm going to go ahead and attach this, but I need a base. So I went ahead and taped the back of the pull bow, and now I'm going to hot glue it to the tape so that we have an actual base, because it wouldn't be sturdy without the base of the tape. So then I went ahead and curled it up, and this is what it's looking like. But look, we have bubbles and we have unstretched areas. I do not like that. Cannot leave it like that. So yeah, this is the finished look for this basket. Something really quick, easy, done. So if you guys liked it, leave it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Till next time, I'll see y'all later.